This vintage salmon chronograph is a timepiece that captures the essence of both vintage and modern aesthetics. With its unique salmon-colored dial, this watch is sure to stand out on your wrist and add a touch of sophistication to your overall look. Let's start with the most striking feature of this watch, the dial. The salmon hue is reminiscent of vintage-inspired timepieces and provides a warm and distinctive appearance. It has a subtle, linear effect that catches the light beautifully, creating a captivating visual display. The color is perfectly complemented by black hands and hour markers, creating a harmonious contrast that is easy on the eyes. The vintage-inspired typography with brigade type numbers adds to the overall charm of the watch, giving it an authentic and timeless feel. The case of this watch is crafted from stainless steel, and it has a polished and brushed finish. With a diameter of 40 millimeters, it strikes a balance between being noticeable on the wrist while not feeling overly bulky or heavy. The case features a mix of brushed and polished surfaces, which adds depth and visual interest. Overall, the construction feels solid and well made, protected by a domed crystal that offers excellent visibility. Undone watches offer customization options, allowing you to create a watch that truly reflects your personal style. You can add your own text to the dial, choose different straps, and this level of customization ensures that each watch is unique and tailored to individual preferences. Powered by the reliable VK6A4 movement, it is a mechanical quartz hybrid movement with a flyback function. But here's where I don't really understand. Normally, a flyback chronograph refers to a central second hand that can be restarted without stopping the chronograph. But in this case, it just resets. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe this is a fault of the watch, I don't really know. I actually like that we get a see-through caseback for the quartz movement. It is something that we rarely see, and it is a gasp of fresh air. The vintage salmon flyback chronograph comes with a comfortable leather strap, further enhancing the vintage aesthetic. The strap is handcrafted from genuine leather, offering both style and comfort for long wear. It features a quick release mechanism, allowing for easy changes to match different occasions or outfits. That being said, let's try some different straps on this bad boy. The retail price of this watch is of $349 US. Aesthetically, the watch is beautiful. The finishing of the dial with that brushed lines is exquisite. The sub-dials with the radial finishing give the dial a perfect color contrast. The movement is accurate and robust. The only thing I don't really understand is the flyback. But generally, I really like this watch. It is a perfect combination between vintage looks and modern technology. But what do you think?